Yep.
So what we're going to do is you wait for her to come down to this side, and that's
Okay.
when I can work. So, oops, I guess I got to get her to the other side, to that side. And see, it's got a cork in it right now. And I'm going to replace that cork with a miniature marshmallow. So she's down on that end. So when she goes back down there, I get that loose. Now she's down there. Now I cover that hole with my finger.
Okay.
Get rid of that cork. Take this, and when she, can you see it?
Yeah, hold on. Yep.
Okay, and then when she goes back here, in goes the marshmallow. Like so. And that's hours for them to eat that. Take that out of there.
To release the queen, right?
Yeah, to release her. And the reason why we do this on a timed release is these bees haven't been with this queen before until they got put into the package. And so we want her pheromone to infuse the hive and the worker bees to accept her before she's out. If what'll happen is if they don't accept her and she's out and they end up rejecting her, they'll ball her and kill her. And yeah, and then we don't have a queen. Then we have a problem. All right, so and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang her between two frames with the screen toward the middle of the hive. And I just take what she was, that metal piece that she was hung by in the package, and I put it on a little twig like that. So now it sits between two frames like this. And then the workers will eat the marshmallow away, release her into the hive, and she'll be good.
And she started, while they're waiting for her, they're preparing the hives.
Yeah, they'll start preparing the hive. Some of them will start work. They all have different jobs. Some will start cleaning it out. Some will start hauling out the dead ones. Okay,
There you go.
I'll do the last one.